Have you ever noticed this? Right after it rains, the road suddenly looks darker. Not a little darker, sometimes almost black. But here's the strange part. The road is the same road. Nothing about its color changed. So why does it look darker? The answer is not dirt. It's not shadows. And it's not your eyes. It's physics. Let's start with a dry road. A dry road surface is rough. Very rough, even if it looks smooth. When sunlight hits a dry road, the light is scattered in many directions. Some of it goes back to your eyes, so the road looks bright and gray. This scattering of light is why dry surfaces look lighter. Now add water. Rain fills the tiny gaps between the rough particles of the road. Suddenly, the surface becomes smoother. When light hits a wet road, instead of scattering, more light goes straight into the surface. Less light is reflected back to your eyes. And when less light reaches your eyes, your brain says, darker, but there's more. Water doesn't just smooth the surface. It also helps trap light. Light enters the wet surface, bounces around inside, and gets absorbed as heat. Instead of coming back out, the light stays in. That's why wet roads can look deep dark gray or almost black. They are literally absorbing more light. Here's an easy way to imagine it. Think of dry sand on a beach. It looks light and pale. Now think of wet sand. Same sand, darker color. Nothing changed except the water. The same physics happens on roads, walls, clothes, and even your hair. This effect isn't just interesting, it's important. Wet roads reflect less light, especially at night. That reduces contrast and visibility. It's one reason why driving in the rain feels more difficult and more dangerous. Your eyes are receiving less information. So next time it rains and the road turns dark, remember this: the road didn't change color. Light changed its behavior. Water changed how light moves, how it reflects, and how much reaches your eyes. That's not magic. That's physics. If you enjoyed this explanation, subscribe for more real-life physics explained simply. Because once you notice it, you'll see physics everywhere.